Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to say you how much color pencils do you need to draw with colors. Actually it depends upon individual artist, but I have a general answer for this and I have a reason for that answer too. It may be 2018, mid of 2018 when I started drawing realism with colors, and I started drawing and I have a question at that time. That question is, how much color pencils do you need to draw with colored drawings? Actually, to draw colored drawings. I don't have answer for that question, but I just want to know the exact answer for that. I think I'm having the reason and the answer now, and I just want to say it to you. Friends, when I'm started drawing with colors, I have a color pencil pack, which is the cheapest color pencil pack. It's just 12 rupees on the market and it is very cheap. I started drawing with that. After saving some amount of money, I just want to buy a new color pencil pack. The money is most important aspect when you are going to buy something new, right? It is the king of purchase. It is your budget and it is your thing which is going to fit on your commodity. Then I bought a small color pencil pack which is maybe 400 rupees or 300 rupees. I don't know the exact rate of it, and I bought it. It is a Faber-Castell 24 shades of watercolor pencils and I love to draw with that at that time. Later I have an issue on that is the brightness of that colors. Because it is a watercolor pencil, it doesn't have that much brightness, but when I'm buying that I don't have enough knowledge about this. But anyhow, I love to draw with that pencil. Still I'm using that pencil. And then one day I have got a chance to draw with hundreds of color pencils, and it is a strange thing for me. I want to draw a couple of places in the cities, and I just want to carry it on the metropolitan buses and the trains. I just hated it because it is a huge case which I want to carry on my back and travel a long way in the public transport system, which is very crowded on my state, my city exactly. And I hated it exactly. It doesn't work out and it doesn't versatile. Then I returned to my home and my desk and I just stuffed everything into my drawer and closed it, and I just never want to take it again and go out to draw. Then I found my comfort area and the correct area, which is my 24 colors and which is my small pack of color pencils, which is very versatile. I think it makes me better artist, because if you are a person having hundreds of color pencils, you may have 3 to 4 shades in each and every color, so you don't have to blend colors and bring new color in your drawings. You just pick the exact color and draw it on the exact area. But if you are a person just having 12 or 24 colors, you are in the position to blend up colors and bring out new colors. I think this is the effective habit of artist, and this is so versatile and easy to carry and fits in your pocket, and the main thing is it fits in your budget easily. Then I have a suggestion. If you are going to buy a new color pencil pack and if you have enough money, just invest on a quality color pencil pack which have 12 or 24 shades. It makes you better artist, believe me. Friends, as I mentioned on the beginning, this video is inspired by Keshart. Actually, he is also living in Chennai and I just want to meet him one day. I don't think I will get a chance for that, but he is a visual storyteller who is doing very great job at now, and he is very good artist doing comic works for more than 6 years now, I think so, and he is very good. But this comic is made by me and this is my own character. I think it looking like me, and if you are thinking the same, just leave in the comment section so I could say it. Friends, this is the thing which I want to say it. Be a minimalist, which will help you to become a better artist and a better person in your life. Expectations may kill you. That's it friends. So if you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching friends. See you.